Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Merry Christmas to All stamp set plus the Merry Christmas framelit dies. These are carried over to our spring sales period, so you can purchase them for a while yet. Super excited about that. Really love this set. Didn't get around to doing a class. This is gold foil paper, and I've used my Big Shot to cut out Christmas. This is a designer series paper called Dashing Along, and it is still available. They made this paper as a free gift for people who purchased over something like $300, and now they've actually opened up the sales for everybody because they ran out of a specific paper, so they wanted to give us a second selection. So I've covered that busy cherry cobbler piece with a bit of vellum. Lovely little trick, especially if you feel that the background is going to take over. I have some shaded spruce ink here, and I have stamped my holly leaves with shaded spruce. This is Cherry Cobbler Mary, and I'm stamping that on a Whisper White circle, and that is just a plain circle. So I am adhering the Christmas that I cut out in the gold foil to the circle, and just using Tombow glue here for that. And again, for that stitched circle in the Cherry Cobbler, I did put some dimensionals on the back. Oh, and I mustn't forget, I had to adhere the tittle using my Take Your Pick tool. Love that tool. Here I'm removing the dimensionals and placing that stitched circle, Cherry Cobbler circle, right on the front, and then just using some Tombow glue to adhere my circle to the front of the card. And I will get out my Real Red Dark blends, and I am coloring some rhinestones to make some berries for my holly leaves. So thank you so much for watching. I will see my VIPs tomorrow for another video. If you are a customer of mine and you haven't joined my VIP Facebook group yet, please head over there, SunStampin on Facebook.com, and request to join the VIP group. For the rest of you, I will see you on Friday. Bye! Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.